Missing the Xaudio2 9 redistributable DLL file hurting your performance? I'm Sophie Chen, a senior Windows support engineer, and I'm here to implement a permanent fix for your gaming stack. This DLL file is the redistributable version of the Xaudio 2.9 library. It provides high-performance audio mixing and spatial sound capabilities for modern PC games, ensuring compatibility across different Windows versions. Now that you're up to speed on the file's role, let's begin the repair process. For errors involving the Xaudio2 9 redistributable, the best approach is to re-establish your legacy gaming runtimes. Utilize the Microsoft DirectX End-User Runtime installer to restore missing DirectX files, and refresh your graphics drivers if the DLL is linked to hardware acceleration. When the primary installation path fails, a more surgical approach to checking your system's environmental variables is required. A standard restart allows the Windows bootloader to rescan your system directories and potentially recognize and unregistered the Xaudio2 9 redistributable component. Before you go, bookmark this video or click the like button. This ensures the video stays in your library so you can finish the final steps as soon as you're back at your desktop. To protect your system architecture, I have a few recommendations regarding file authenticity. Protect your digital environment by ignoring unofficial download links for the Xaudio2 9 redistributable DLL that could lead to identity theft or the permanent loss of sensitive project files. As an alternative to frequent manual checks, a secure maintenance utility can help keep your system environment on track. For long-term system reliability, the repair resource linked in the description includes information on managing the Xaudio2 9 redistributable references. If DirectX End-User Runtime is back online, please consider subscribing. It's the best way to support our mission of providing safe, verified technical solutions.